Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in accounting, and our topic today is how to prepare and interpret a graph on Excel. And here we will be using the cost volume profit analysis to deal with that. So let's go to our Excel file. As you here. So let's consider here a company with a selling price of $70, variable cost of 40, and fixed cost $540,000. If we go to cost volume profit analysis, our break-even point is 18,000 units. How do we do that? Only to remember it. It's fixed costs divided by contribution margin, selling price less variable costs. And by the way, if you want to know more about cost volume profit analysis, we have two videos about that in our channel, and they are in our video description, as well as this Excel file. All our Excel files are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. And by the way, subscribe our channel. You will be the first one to know when a new video arrives. Okay, and we have a Facebook page, Accounting Hub by Dr. Scarpin. Go there and like our page as well. So here, break-even point 18,000 units. And how do we do our graph here? So the first one, we need to create a table here for how many units we are dealing, the revenue, total cost, and the fixed cost. So the fixed cost, 540, and it will be 540 all the time. So we fix it. And let's deal with 20 numbers, or better, do it a little bit more, 25 numbers. Revenue. Revenue is selling price, we can fix it, times number of units. Nothing because we have no units yet. And total costs. Total cost is units times variable costs, and we can fix it, plus fixed costs, and we can fix it as well. And how do you fix it? Either the dollar symbol or F4, you fix it. Okay, total cost now 540 because we have only fixed costs. So units, nothing. And let's increasing 2,000 units per time. Okay, 2,000 units here. Or it's too much. So 1,500. And let's check it. Yes, that's good. So how do we create our graph? So we select the numbers that we want. Insert, recommended charts. Let's go here, the line. That usually when we have this time series, the easiest way is on a line chart. So double click here and let's rename it break-even point. And here we have some problems here. The first one is our X alias, our X axis here. 1, 2, 3. We don't want this 1, 2, 3. We want the units. How do we fix that? Click on your graph, right button on your mouse, and select data. Select data here. Horizontal, let me put my glasses. Whoa, much better now. Horizontal axis labels. Edit, and here is our range. Okay. Okay, now we have our range here. Let's make this graph larger. Okay, so this is our graph. And let's work. So let's see if these lines change. And here, the blue line revenue, the orange line total cost, and gray fixed costs. And here where revenue touch the total cost is our break-even point at 1800 18,000 units. However, what if our selling price goes down to 60? What happened with our graph? What happened with our total revenue here? Oh, we cannot see it. It is the same slope here. Everything is the same, and now everything changes. Why? It happens because our y-axis here changes. Look at here. The top number is $3 million. If we change it to 60, our top number will be 2.5 million. And we cannot see the behavior of our lines. So how do we fix it? Okay, let's skip this one. Double click. So click here on the y-axis. Double click now. And here, maximum, minimum, nothing, auto, maximum 3 million, auto. So we need to change this auto here. We want this number to be 3 million all the time. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 million. And now we have the reset stuff. And 3 million, press tab or clicking on any other place. And now it is fixed. So it will not change. So let's change our numbers now. Selling price, instead of 70, we have 60. Let's see what happened with the blue line. Whoa, now the blue line, the slope goes down. And we can clearly see here because our axis is locked. Or if we increase our price to 75, wow, see how only this line moves. If we move our variable cost, instead of 40, 40, 45, the total cost will go up as well. Wow, go up. What if we change our fixed cost? Then two lines will move, the gray one and the orange one, because the starting point here is our fixed cost. When we have no units, we have total cost of 540. So instead of 540, let's change it to 600. See, it moves. Or let's change it to 700. Let's see what happened with these lines here. It goes up, and our break-even point goes up. Now it's 23.3. So it is around here between 22.5 and 24. Or let's work with a variable cost of 40. Now it goes down only only the orange line, because we change only the variable cost. So our slope goes down, and our break-even point is 20. That is here between 19.5 and 21. Okay, guys, so that's it. The huge trick here is to fix your y axis, or if you need to, that is not so often, you can also do it on your x axis, but it is linked to a cell. That is the best way to do that, so you don't need to fix it. They will already be fixed because they are related to this first column here. However, a common mistake is, let's select everything and create our graph. Excel will consider units as a variable instead of label for your axis. And you will need to do 2 steps instead of 1 to do that. So it is not a good idea. Select only the variables that you are analyzing. Okay, so, okay, we don't have it anymore. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, Email me at jscarping@gmail.com or leave it here and I will do my best to answer you back as soon as possible. Have a very nice day and God bless you.